Hi guys, I'm trying to grow $100 trading account. I'm not flipping and I'm not gambling with it. It's actual growth. So today I took a trade this morning on USD JPY. I was in a sell position. I made $11, which does not sound a lot, but that is 11% growth on $100 account. I know for beginners coming into Forex, you need to see the reality of how much small account grows. The thing is that small accounts are not for becoming millionaires overnight. They are for learning discipline, risk management, and execution. If you can manage $100 trading account properly, that means you can also manage $10,000 trading account as well as $50,000 to $100,000 trading account, and even a funded capital later. I'm going to be showing you guys the trade. Here is the trade I took. I sent it to my community group chat as well, and my lot size was 0.03. You can see the lot size is not 0.5, it's 0.03, and that $11 profit is not about the money, it's about the process. And let me quickly break the analysis for you guys so you guys can understand how to spot high probability setups as well, especially for my beginners, or if you are managing a small forex trading account like what I'm doing now. So let's go right into the chart and let's do a quick breakdown. So let's do a quick breakdown of the trade. So you guys can see this is the trade USD JPY. So this is the risk to reward ratio, 1:3.09 risk to reward. So let's go to the higher time frame and see what is even going on USD JPY today. So let's go to the weekly time frame. So you guys can see the price is still on the resistance level here. This is a higher time frame resistance level. Okay, so and you can see the reaction from the lower time frame. So going to 1 hour. So going to 1 hour, you can see the price respected our resistance level. So we have a break of structure to the downside already, you can see, which is a confirmation of sellers taking charge of price in the market. Right, we have bearish order block upward here, so you can see this is bearish order block. Gold bought from a breakers level this week, and I sent it to my group chat. I was asking you guys like what really happened here, just to know you guys understanding. And most of you are saying news is not news, but something happened based on the charts, and somebody finally answered me, which is cool, because my community group chat is all about learning. It's not just about sending signals for everybody to just copy and start trading. The most important thing is teaching you how to fish yourself. All right, so back to what we are doing here. So you guys can see that, taking my part 2 now, you guys can see we have this low here all the way here, and then we have all the way here low. We have a high here, and then we have, you can see we have a breakers block here. I'm going to come back to that. So we have a low here and we have a high here. So you can see our price came down to mitigate this high here, right? And then came all the way here. So I'm not marking, if I'm marking more internal structure, you're going to see I'm just taking the obvious structure on the higher time from 1 hour. So you can see our price came all the way here to mitigate this, and then move all the way here, and then price respected our supply level here, and then you can see sold massively from there. So you can see I wrote 1 hour supply zone here. So it's very important to understand market structure. So this is exactly what happened here. So this is basically it. Break of structure, your order block, all of these things here are liquidity. We have our fair value gap here. I do not mark it out, doesn't mean we don't. All right, but when you get your break of structure, order block, all of these things correctly, the rest things kind of like fit themselves in for you. So this is just basically it. So it's very important to wait for high probability setups. So one of the reasons why trading a smaller account can be quite tricky is because most small account traders lose their money mostly through over leveraging, no stop loss, and emotional exits. I'm facing that, and that is why I am making more videos now on how you can trade your small account profitably, because I realize most of you are trading smaller accounts, which is fine, okay, but you need to also withdraw money. It doesn't matter if you're trading $20 account, you need to as well withdraw money from that account. That is why I am focusing and helping you to grow your small account. I told you guys accumulation is wealth. Your profit compounds. That is what you need, not trying to flip and make $100 in a day with your $100 account. Okay, so as a trader, it's very important to have a trading plan and make your trading plan extremely simple. With your $100 account, you shouldn't risk more than 0.5 to 5% per trade. So in each trade now, you have the liberty to risk from 0.5, 1%, 2%, 3%, 4%, 5%. To me, I will tell you that 5% is a lot. Okay, and also trade one setup per day. At most 2 is enough. Okay, don't over trade. No reverse trading, please. You should have a trading plan, please. No reverse trading. I'm listing out the trading plan you should have now on your $100 account. When you're in a trade and it doesn't go in your direction, it's okay. You try again. You back test, understand the market, what you did wrong, because the market is always right. Then you try again. Don't ever revenge trade, and track everything you do. This is where journaling comes. It helps you track your mistakes. It helps you build good habits with your trading. It helps you build repeatable, profitable habits. So it's very important to track everything through journaling. I am documenting every step of this $100 growth, wins, losses, psychology, everything. So if you're a beginner or you're trading a smaller account, you can see how it really works. And if you're trying to grow a small account too, please follow along. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner or you have been trading for years. I want to make a video around this thing so it can help you guys grow your accounts better. So just let me know in the comment section and we'll address that in my next video. Stay blessed, stay profitable, and I guarantee you are one step closer to becoming a consistent, profitable trader. Do not give up. I'll see you in my next video.